Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be making some cactus eggs for my daughter Priscilla. This is one of her favorite breakfasts, and since today is her birthday, it's actually my twin's birthday, I'm going to surprise her with this. So to get started, first I used a package of fresh cactus, and I washed it and I cut it in little squares, and then I put it in the frying pan with some oil, and I cooked it for about 15 minutes till it looked like this. So it gets rid of like all the gooiness because it has like a lot of gooey stuff in it. So there's also another way you could do it. You could boil it. I've done that too, but I don't know. To me, I just like this one better. So next, I'm going to add 3 tomatoes diced. And these are actually bigger pieces than I usually do, but my daughter just loves tomatoes, so this is just perfect for her. But like typically I make the pieces smaller. And then I've already added some salt. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my onion as well. So she's going to be so excited when she comes home and finds this. And right here I already have 15 eggs. Seems like a lot, but my husband will have this for his breakfast tomorrow as well with his coworker. So I get this done early in the day, and then I don't have to worry about it later tonight. I also have to make his Father's Day breakfast, so I'll do that after this. So basically, I'm just gonna like saute this. It's really easy, and cactus is really like a healthy superfood. So it has like a lot of antioxidants. So if you've never tried it, give it a try, because like I had never tried it before. This was like many years ago, and then I tried it. I can't remember where I tried it from, but it's actually really, really good. And you can make like eggs out of it, like tacos, like different things. So we just want this to break down some more. And you can actually add like jalapenos or like serranos chopped up to this as well, but I'm not going to since it's for my daughter. This is like one of her favorite things. So see how the tomatoes and the onions are starting to get translucent? That's what you want. Since this pan's really hot, it's breaking down fast. So you just want to continue sauteing it. It smells really, really good too. I'm not sure like how long, like once after you cook cactus, like how long it lasts for, but nothing lasts long in my house anyways. Like I have so many vultures, including myself, so this will, between today's breakfast and tomorrow's breakfast, it'll be gone. Okay, so that looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my eggs. I've already beaten them, and they have salt and they have almond milk to make them fluffy. So here we go. And I always clean my eggs. I don't know what it's called, the little white part in the egg. To me, that's disgusting, so I always clean that out before I make anything, before I use my eggs. So here you just want to cook the rest just like regular scrambled eggs till it's ready. I won't bore you with that. So this is basically what you do. And then when it's done, you'll serve it. You can serve it with like tortillas, like, I don't know, like some beans on the side. But give it a try. Don't be intimidated by it. You can get the cactus like at any Mexican market, or sometimes just like regular grocery stores will have it too. I actually found this at the 99-cent store. I had to go get some gift bags for my twins' birthdays. And I saw this and I was like, oh, I gotta get that for my daughter. That'll make her morning. Alrighty, you guys. So I'll stop the video now. You just want to let this cook till it's done. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.